Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic, entertaining and a crazy episode packed with all sorts of biker encounters. Everything you enjoy watching is right here, and of course, this episode won't disappoint you. All that's left for you is to sit back, grab your snacks and enjoy today's episode. Tailgating bikers is a huge risk, and in almost all cases, it makes them angry. In case of any type of contact, the biker's life is endangered because it's not protected at all. So please, don't tailgate them.
Represent, represent, yeah. Represent, represent, yeah. Represent.
Usted vea una fractura expuesta y tenga la
Hey, you listen to me. I'm the boss. I call the shots.
I'm the boss.
experiencia que yo tuve. Usted va a atender que
Tirándome el carro.
Cuando no se no, usted
Tirándome el carro.
puse la señal.
Tirándome el
Usted
carro.
se metió.
Tirándome el carro.
Traía la señal, amigo.
Tirándome el carro.
Amigo, yo tuve una experiencia
Tirándome el carro.
carretera,
Tirándome el carro.
y vea, estoy traumado.
Usted está traumado. Yo soy traumado por imbéciles como ustedes que le tiran el carro a uno.
No.
Me tiras el carro allá abajo.
No.
Me tiras. No.
¿A dónde?
Vea. Aquí hay cámara, atrás hay cámara.
¿A dónde le tiré el carro?
Búsquelo en YouTube. Allá en el cruce. Cuando yo iba pasando. No, señor. Y ahora me tiras ahí el carro también. Me tiras ahí el carro también.
¿Pero cuál cruce?
¿Ah?
Dígame, ¿cuál cruce?
Ahí, ahora cuando veníamos, en el SEA.
Yo puse la señal y venía. Y
Usted
me
puso
metió
la
otra
señal,
cosa.
ok, pero poner la
Me
señal
ganaste
no le da la
plata.
ventaja y llega y se manda un
Pero
solo cañazo.
Imagínate ni que anduviera, ni a que anduviera una bicicleta.
No, pero tampoco tienes que tirar el carro a uno. Comercial de... Ok, ahí lo buscamos.
What about this driver here? He definitely doesn't set a great example with this type of driving. Watch how this road rage turned out. We've encountered all sorts of drivers so far, but this lady is an absolute champion, stopping in the middle of the road. And for what?
What are you doing?
What on earth are you doing?
No indicators, no mirror check, no lane discipline. This driver did absolutely nothing right. On top of that, he even brake checked the biker.
다음 가네, 나올 거야. esse cada de carregar uma diferente, ao igual. Sinti mamãe chama te, ai, khani ki khana kheta.
Can you see the road? You cannot see.
Drivers should definitely be more aware of their surroundings. As usual, BMW drivers are up to no good, and this one here just adds to the stereotype. rules as a pedestrian is to look both ways before crossing the road. If you care about yourself, you need to practice this.
Great decisions, you idiot.
This time around, it's not the pedestrians that are careless. It's the driver who doesn't care about crosswalks. And of course, pedestrians being on them. Crazy driver pulled out in front of the biker, and instead of recognizing his mistake, he got angry and he flipped the biker off.
Hello? Hi.
If the biker was any faster or completely unaware of what was going on, it would cause him a lot of trouble.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh my God! KO in midair!
Despite having a completely clear view of the biker, this crazy driver pulled out in front of him regardless.
Christ, bro. Holy I almost got jacked, bro. I couldn't even hit the horn fast enough to hit the goddamn start button.
Rude driver didn't bother looking at all as he pulled out at the intersection here. Biker, on the other hand, saw his life flash right through his eyes because of his move. When drivers act careless, this is what can happen on the road. Actually, the same goes for bikers as well. Check out this situation here. Indicating does not give you the right of way, and it's only half the job when it comes to changing lanes. there to make it easy and safe for you to make a lane change. This driver obviously doesn't know it yet. Check it out. How on earth can you drive a bike and act so careless? Riding one puts you at a disadvantage in traffic, and some bikers still don't pay attention. Such is the case with this guy here. Be patient at the traffic lights and wait your turn. It's not worth risking it in the long run. In case of a crash, you are the one responsible for another rider's life. Karen got angry at the biker for stepping over the prohibited line a bit. I swear, some people just don't have anything productive to do with their spare time.
Oiga, tiene que estar detrás de la línea.
No lo escucho.
Sí,
¿Ah?
sí, lo que
¿Qué?
idiota.
No lo escucho.
Man, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear!
Driver nearly sent the biker straight to the hospital with his crazy pull-out move. To make things even worse, this all happened at a sharp curve, where you're usually supposed to be more careful. Didn't like the noise of the bikes, so he pulled up on them to try and cause some trouble. In situations like this, it's for the best to ignore and move on. Heads off to these bikers. This would be it for today's episode, guys. Make sure to write me down in the comment section if you enjoyed watching, and also if you would like to change something about this episode as well. Don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And thank you for your support so far. We'll be seeing each other soon.